Ever wish you could save time by reusing last year's lesson plans? With CC, you can. In this guide for teachers, we'll talk about 2 ways that you can recycle your work from previous years to streamline your planning processes. As a bit of pre-work, this guide assumes that you've created an account, set up a plan book, and that you've started creating lessons. To copy an old plan book, you'll also need to have created plans in the past. If you need help getting started, check out our CC for Teachers video on plan book setup. Let's get started. Let's imagine you have a few great lessons that you want to recycle. One of CC's most beloved features is the Import Lessons and Units button. Whether you use it to import your own lessons or those of your experienced colleagues, you'll always save time. Here's how it works. Step 1, go to the day when you want the imported lessons or units to start. Click the 3 dots next to the class in which you want the lessons or units to import. Step 2, click Import Lessons and Units and select the year and plan book from which you would like to import. Remember, if you're part of a CC Pro for Schools account, you can click the Copying From button and then choose any colleague's plan book from which you would like to import lessons to your own plan book. And step 3, select each lesson or unit that you would like to import and then click Import this many units and this many lessons. It's that simple. Now let's say that you're a seasoned pro with an immaculate plan book and you're ready for a new year. You'd like to copy an entire plan book to a new year, complete with lessons, daily routines, and unit plans. CC teachers rave about this time-saving feature, and here's how to make it happen. First step, from the homepage, click Create a Plan Book, and then choose Copy a Plan Book. Next, we'll select all the classes that we want to copy, and we'll give the plan book a name. We'll be sure to choose Yes, Copy the Lessons and Units. And that's it. With CC's Import Lessons feature and its ability to copy entire plan books from one year to the next, you can focus less on the hassle of digging for old plans and instead focus on making your plans even stronger for the coming year.